Hello, I'm Jeff, and this is my iOS final project, xPENSES. The idea behind xPENSES is to have an app where friends can share their expenses when they go to a restaurant or some trip, and make the calculation of this shopping easy, because it's hard to calculate taxes and split the accounts. So with expensive, the idea is to make this thing easy to the user. So this is the first screen that the user see when he opens the app. He can log in with a Facebook account. The app will ask for authorization, just to OK, and you are redirected to the home screen. Here we have a button to add a new expense, a list of expenses. So here's my Facebook friends pictures and the value of the amount of how much I owe them. And this is one expense that I paid to my friends. So if I click on some expense, I can see a detail like the date, the price, and the name of the guy who paid it. If I click on mark as paid, the expense is paid and there is nothing on the list anymore. It's marked as paid and it goes away. Uh, if I click on this expense, I can see the total amount of the expense, and these friends, they still owe me, so I can mark, oh, Renato paid me, so I mark him as paid and I save changes. So if I go back to the list, Renato is marked as paid, and when Mateus paid me, I can mark him as paid, save it, and the expense goes away again. Um, the process to add a new expense is very simple, straightforward. Just click on the plus button, it will open this window, and here I can choose if an expense was paid by me or by a friend. So I'm going to simulate that a friend paid something for me, and here I'm going to choose a friend, I don't know, Miller. And where did you go? I can put some details, like we went to Burger King and I need to pay him $12. I save the expense, and here we go. Here's the new expense. I'm going to create another one. So I'm going to select me, and so I can choose the friends which I paid something for them. Like I can choose Lucas and I put something like Vegas hotel, and I paid uh, $30 and add. I can put like, I don't know, Vegas beer, uh, $20 and add, save it, and I have Lucas here. I can add one more friend if I click on add friends. So I can add Renato and Vegas hotel bucks, add, and here I can save Renato, and Renato is here. So I can detail the expenses like Vegas trip, and I can choose to share the expense equally or proportionally. If I choose equally, I can sum the values and divide equally to everyone, including me. And if I choose something proportional, I can put like the entire value we spent, $50, $500, and we paid $30 on taxes and $50 on tips. So I can save it, and this is the Vegas trip expensive on the home screen. So here, this is the value that Lucas owns with taxes and tip included, and this is the value that Renato owns with taxes and tip included. So I can go back here, and I had some verifications, like if you try to save an input form, you'll not let you do it. Even if I do something here without the total, I have this verification. If I choose a friend that I didn't like it, I can cancel the operation and I can come back, choose another one. Here's the same thing. It does nothing if you let, because for example, if I do some expense that is shared, but I want to share equally, I can put 0 here and save, and I can put like burgers, and we spend 20 bucks, and I can share it equally, so it doesn't matter. I don't need to put all the values to my friend. The system will calculates equally. So here, Lucas, the bill was 20 bucks, and it was shared between me and Lucas, so Lucas owed me 10 bucks for this bill. Here you also can calculate it. I cannot save an expenses with empty values, and that's pretty much it. To the app, the friends are not like Facebook friends, because Facebook API doesn't allow me to see all my friends, just the friends that use the apps. So I needed to use mock data to build the friends, and that's pretty much it. That's xPENSES. Thanks for watching.